In this video, we will study about adjective order. But before that, let's quickly revise kinds of adjectives too. Now, kinds of adjectives we already have studied in previous classes, and we know that adjectives are describing words that describe nouns and pronouns. Now, based on what are they describing and how they are describing, they are of different kinds. First, when they describe quality of a noun or pronoun, they are known as adjectives of quality, like tall tower or Rohan is friendly. So they are depicting the quality of that person or the thing. Then quantity, when the adjective tells you about the quantity of a noun and it just specifies how much. It is not giving you an exact figure. Adjective of quality usually are used for countable and uncountable nouns, like so, very, most, and little. You will find them common between countable and uncountable. But how you decide which is quantity? When they are talking about the uncountable nouns, mostly they are called adjectives of quantity, like enough rice, much rainfalls. You cannot, you don't have any idea. Now these things, they are just assumptions. You assume, you are not knowing the exact figure. So whenever you are just assuming how much or less, then it is quantity. Then when you are telling the exact number, it is number. Like cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers, both are adjectives of number. They are included in adjective of number, and they are always used for countable nouns. Whenever adjectives, they denote numbers such as many, several, and few, they will always be used with countable nouns. Okay, and there will never be any ambiguity in it. It will be clear. It will be a clear figure. It will be giving you a clear, as something that you can count. When I say few pencils, you can count them. Yes, so that is why few, when it comes with pencils, a countable noun, you will understand that it is adjectives of number. Then comes demonstrative adjective. Yes, so demonstrative adjectives are demonstrative words which are coming with nouns, like these houses, this bag, such clothes. So these are pointing words and they come with noun, and then they are called demonstrative adjectives. Next in line is the possessive adjective, which are possessive words which come with the nouns. Your binoculars, our house. And when they will come at the end of the sentence without being followed by a noun, then they are known as pronouns. They are used in place of nouns. But when they are coming with the noun, they are actually just describing the noun or telling more about the noun. Interrogative adjectives are interrogative words which again are followed by a noun. When they come alone, they are known as interrogative pronouns. Whose house, which country, what number, what is common here, they all are followed by a noun. So they will be always used before a noun to ask questions. Distributive. Now distributive adjectives refer to each person, place or thing in a pair or group separately. Now this seems contradictory. You need to understand it very clearly. Person, place or thing in a pair or group, but in a group or pair, still they are addressed separately. So it always comes before a singular noun. Each child, either side. You will not say each children. You will not say either sides. You will say either sides, neither gate. Now they will also come before a noun and always a singular noun. Yes. Now distributive adjectives are used before singular nouns. This is a rule that you need to remember. And distributive pronouns are used in place of nouns. This is the difference. The adjectives are used before nouns, singular ones, and the pronouns they replace noun. Yes. See the example: each apple, neither house. And when they are coming as the pronouns, see, they are coming at the end. Give a sweet to each. I have no watch but I use neither. So they will be either be at the last, or being, they will be associated and near a verb. They will not never be associated with a noun. If the moment they come with a noun, they become an adjective. Now in this exercise, identify this we have done, and I have already uploaded. Then complete these sentences with kinds of adjective already mentioned. These all we did in class, and I have uploaded the answer key too. Now we will understand what is the order and position of adjective. So sometimes you will find that there are many adjectives before a noun. So how do we write them, in which sequence? So there is a particular order of adjective that you must follow, and that is why we need to learn the correct order and position of the adjective. Yes, so if we read this example, the Japanese paper colorful fans are on sale here, and the second, the colorful Japanese paper fans. Now the second one makes more sense, right? It is pleasant to the ears. It's more systematic. So there is a system we follow in order to give the order to the adjectives. Okay, the first comes is always an opinion. Now what is an opinion? Whenever you say that something is beautiful or intelligent or warm, or it's when we say that it is very pleasant, these all things, they can vary from person to person in opinion. What you find beautiful, the other person might not find. What you find warm, the other person might not find. What you find intelligent, maybe he thinks that the other person needs to be having a higher IQ to be called intelligent. So these are all opinions, my children. So whenever you see an adjective, what you will do, you will see which category they fall in. So opinion, size, shape, age, color, source, origin or material, and purpose of the noun. So in this sequence only we can place the adjectives. So first the opinion comes, then the size, then the shape, then the age, then color, then source or origin, or then material, and then purpose, and then noun. So whenever we look at a sentence where we have multiple adjectives, we first ascertain which adjective belongs to which category. Look at the example, the first sentence, the queen wore a silken beautiful evening gown. Now which of these is an opinion? Beautiful. Yes. Now next we have silken and evening. Now silken can be the material, yes, and evening is the purpose of the gown. So how do we write it? The queen wore a beautiful silken evening gown. Easy, right? We just have to decide which adjective falls in which category, and then we have to learn the sequence and fit the sequence there. Now see horses grasp their food with their helpful, curly, flexible tails. Now helpful, curly and flexible. Now helpful is, of course, is going to vary from a person to person, so it's going to be an opinion. Then curly is a shape. Then flexible is also an opinion. So see horses grasp their food with their helpful, flexible, curly tails, or flexible, helpful, curly tails. Yes, clear? The next line, somebody picked up my brown leather new shoes. Now here, brown is color, new is age, and leather is material. So what comes first? Yes, the age will come first, then the color. So new brown leather shoes. Yes, my and there, they also fall in the opinion category. Yes, an electric big red bus took us around the city. So big is the size, then red is color, and electric it's the bus is of an electric kind, so we can say that it's the purpose of the bus that it runs on electric, so it's an electric bus. So as the size come first, so we will say a big red electric bus. Understood, everybody? Now just we have to decide which category the adjective falls in, and we have to follow the order. This is called as adjectives, order and position. Now these all also are done in class, and I have uploaded the answer key and the notes as well. We'll see each other in the next video, and we regularly meet in class. Bye.